How to fix the TikTok live option not showing on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the TikTok live option not showing on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, let me show you the issue. So when I tap on the plus icon, the live option should appear on the downside of the screen. But as you can see, it's missing. So if you are facing the same problem, follow these simple steps to fix it. Step 1, that is to update the TikTok app. So close the TikTok app and open the App Store. And in the App Store, simply search for TikTok and check if any update is available. If an update is available, you can simply tap update and wait for it to complete. And once updated, reopen TikTok and check if the live option is visible. If not, then let's move forward to the step 2. That is to check your TikTok account requirements. To unlock the live features on TikTok, your account must meet certain criteria. You need at least 1000 followers to go live. And if you already have 1K followers and still can't see the option, move on to the next step. Now, the final step is to report the problem to TikTok. So open the TikTok and simply go to your profile. And in your profile section, tap on the 3 dash icon shown in the top right corner of your screen. And from there, you can simply select settings and privacy. Now from there, scroll down and simply tap on report a problem. And in this section, you can simply search for can't find live option and select the relevant issue. But if you didn't found, you can simply tap on any issues. From there, you can simply scroll down and tap no. And once you do that, simply tap on need more help again. And you will be prompted to the page where you can write message explaining that you meet the requirements but the live option is meeting to the support team. And you can even attach a screenshot of your profile as a proof. And after that, you can simply submit your request to the TikTok support team. And after submitting your request, TikTok will review your issue and hopefully enable the live feature for your account. And that's it. With this step, I think you should be able to fix the problem. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.